Assalamu alaikum everyone. Information Box Ticket Lifestyle brings you.
Paragraph writing topic: Forest.
But before that, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more videos. Please make sure you support this channel so that I can make more videos for you. So our today's topic is on forest. Forests are essential to life survival. The deep dark woods contribute to the natural cycle. However, as a result of increased pollution and the usage of wood in the variety of sectors, forests are on the verge of extinction. Forests are essential for both animals and humans. They provide us with food. They provide us with a lot of fruits and vegetables. Honey is obtained from trees in the woodlands. Forests are home to both large and tiny animals such as lions, tigers, and wolves. Forests also provide us with medicines. They bring rain with them and they keep the environment clean. We need to protect forests and stop cutting down trees. Humans are chopping down trees to make tables, seats, and huts. More trees should be planted. They provide us with oxygen to breathe. Without woods, there is no vegetation and no food. Forests are our closest companions. They are also excellent animal companions. Forests are made up of a large number of trees on a piece of land. They are an excellent source of oxygen because trees exhale a big amount of oxygen and inhale carbon dioxide during the day. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. This also contributes to the purity of the air and the cleanliness of the environment. Forest trees contribute to the preservation of ecological balance and biodiversity. Forests play a crucial part in regulating the evaporation and condensation cycle that cause rain to fall. They are also medically valuable and their trees, roots and woods are used to make a variety of medications. It is impossible to thrive on earth without woods. Deforestation activities has diminished forest cover. Reduced forest cover contribute to global warming. UV rays from the sun are easily passing through the ozone layer as a result of forest imbalance, which has an impact on the environment. We need to grow more trees and protect forests. Save the trees and save the lives. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Forests are home to a diverse range of flora and fauna. They are essential to our survival. They keep the temperature stable and protect us from overheating. However, these deep glooming woods are crucial not just for the survival of the animals and birds, but also for the survival of humanity. They provide raw products such as lumber, fruits, wax, honey, vegetables, wood, medicinal herb, and paper bark. Aside from being a rich supplier of raw resources for human purposes, they are also an excellent source of animal preservations. Trees help to prevent soil erosion, which is the degradation of soil caused by the removal of its top layer. Not only that, but they keep streams flowing and air clean, which serves to provide us with fresh oxygen and a clean environment. Unfortunately, a variety of human actions such as deforestation and excessive use of trees for industrial purposes has contributed to its decrease. To conserve our environment, afforestation and go green efforts as well as a reduction in the uses of plastic should be implanted. We as a human must do our part by planting more trees in order to save the woods and pass on the wonder flora and fauna to future generations. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and kindly show your support to this channel by subscribing to this channel. Forests are a bond to both humans and animals and birds. Earth is the only planet which is such a varied variation of same all around the world. They benefit the human species for a variety of purposes including medications, food, shelter, industries, furniture, specific utensils, papers, wax, and a variety of cosmetic goods. However, over-reliance on forest and rapid deforestation have resulted in a scarcity of trees. Deforestation and human carelessness are caused by scorching heat, rising temperatures, drying up of rivers and streams, polluted air, and an increase in carbon dioxide. The recent burning of some of the world's finest forests, such as Amazon rainforest, has exacerbated our predicament. Another example is the Australian bushfire, which killed mammoth, kangaroos, and pandas, among other animals. If deforestation continues, we will soon be deprived of vegetation and eventually life on Earth. The day on Earth's prediction is approaching. We must rely on the plants and protect them in order to ensure the long-term survival of this life on Earth. Greta Thunberg, a well-known and one of the youngest social activists, has expressed her worry about environmental deterioration, yet her voice appears to have been deafening everyone. Nobody paid attention to that young lady, but the state of our ecosystem today necessitates an urgent need to focus our attention on these flora, animals, and woods. Monitoring commercial industrial deforestation for raw materials, replanting, monitoring farmers' use of forested areas for agriculture, and promoting the importance of plants, forests, and trees in schools, universities, and colleges can all help us save forests and trees. What exactly are forests? A forest is a landmass that contains a significant number of different types of trees. What is the significance of forests? Forests are valuable because they give food, shelter to plants, animals, insects, and humans. They are a great and excellent source of raw materials and pharmaceutical medicines. Forests also help us keep the temperature stable, reduce soil erosion, and purify the air we breathe. And forests be saved. Forests can be conserved via reforestation, green initiatives in schools and universities, and limiting farming activities in forested regions. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and press the bell icon for more videos. Keep your environment safe and healthy, and plant more trees to keep your air healthy as well. Thank you so much for watching.